Rolling operations on DataFrameGroupby object. I have a pandas data frame which I wish to perform the same rolling operation on different groups within the data. Consider the following DF, see bottom of question for code to construct, with 4 columns. What I would like is an operation which calculates a boolean for each unique date pair indicating whether the target column is one within 6 months of the given date. So for the provided DF I would expect a result which looks like I can do this with a for loop iterating over the rows and looking 6 months in advance for each visit, but it is too slow due to the large size of my dataset. So, I was wondering whether it was possible to groupby the date and do a rolling operation on the time window to look at this. For example, some notes. There can be multiple 1s in the 6-month window. This should just be treated as true for the current date. In my head sum_custom_ function will check whether the sum of target over the next 6 months, excluding current date, is greater than 1. Supporting code. To produce the data frame instance used in this question.
I have found a workable solution, but it only works if for each date is unique. This is the case in my data with some additional processing, which returns I can then use the rolling method on a groupby object to get the desired result. There are 2 tricks here. I reverse the order of the dates, .illic column -1, to take a forward-looking window. This has been suggested in other SO questions. I drop the last entry of the sum to remove the current date from the sum, so it only looks forward. The second hack means it only works when there are no repeats of dates for a given id. I would be interested in making a more robust solution, for example, where dates are repeated for an id.